Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this simple flower using chain stitches. It's very easy and quick to do. Let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet these flowers are a 3 mm crochet hook, any type of yarn, beads which will be sewed in the center part of the flower, scissors, a thread and a needle. So let's begin. To start up with this flower, first make a magic circle. For this flower, we'll be working about 10 petals and each petal will be worked using chain stitches. So for working the first petal, make 11 chains. So here I have worked 11 chains. Now going back inside the magic circle, work one slip stitch. So our first petal is done. Now again we will be working 11 chains. And once you are done with your 11 chains, going back inside the magic circle, work a slip stitch. So in this way, I have worked 2 of the petals. In similar manner, we will be working the rest 8 petals. So just continue with this sequence till you have in total 10 petals. After working the 10th petal, I have slip stitched inside the magic circle and pull the tail of the magic circle in order to close it. Now we shall just cut the working yarn and going on the back side, tie knots between the 2 yarns. Here our flower is almost done. Now in the center part I shall sew a bead. So here I have done with the flower using very simple stitches of crochet like chain stitches. I hope you found it really very useful. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.